ZENG chef knife or Viking kitchen outdoor camping knife. I've already opened it and played with it. I really like it. It came with this faux leather scabbard that you can put on your belt, but I don't know if I would trust that at all. But it's kind of nice. I mean, it does protect it if you want to keep it in a drawer. It won't get dull. The knife though, oh my goodness. Look at this thing. This is a nice knife. And sharp, oh my goodness. It's sharp. So they say that it is a 14 to 16 degree per side sharpness. They say it's a high carbon but stainless steel knife. I say it's pretty sharp and it's tough. It's got some weight to it. They say this hole is to put your finger in. I don't know that would last too long if you're prepping a large meal, but maybe combat situation, I don't know. But this is hanging on my wall. I can't wait to actually try to use this kind of angle knife soon. But my first impression of it, they do say that it's hand forged. They call it a boning knife. I don't agree with that. But meat cleaver, yeah. Butcher knife, okay. Cooking knife for outdoors and camping, yep. I could see that being used for that. So I like the knife. I'm gonna recommend the knife, not so much as a utility for the kitchen, but definitely for an addition to a unique collection. I do like it. I do recommend it. Thank you for watching.